Far away, beyond the edge of this tiny blue planet, Phoebe the Photon zipped through space, her golden light glimmering. Close beside her, Wavy the Wave flowing gracefully like an endless ribbon. They laughed as they traveled together. But there was someone watching. QB, the curious little quantum. QB loved to ask questions. He was small and full of wonder, always bouncing around, trying to understand how the universe works. One day, as Phoebe and Wavy played in the sunlight, QB called out, "Wait, stop for a moment." Phoebe and Wavy slowed just enough for QB to catch up. Well, as much as light could slow down. "I have been watching you both," said QB, blinking his bright, curious eyes. "Sometimes you are Phoebe, darting like a tiny particle. Other times you are Wavy, rippling through space. But you are always together and yet you act so different. How can that be?" Phoebe and Wavy exchanged a knowing glance. They had always known this day would come. "Come closer," Phoebe said softly. QB floated in, buzzing with lot of energy and excitement. "Here's our secret," whispered Wavy. Phoebe smiled and said, "There's no two of us." Wavy added, "We both are one." QB eyes widened. "What do you mean?" Phoebe said, "I am Wavy." Wavy nodded and said, "I am Phoebe." QB tilted her head and asked, "But you look so different sometimes." "Ah," replied Wavy, "that's because it depends on how you look at me." Phoebe smiled. "If you watch me closely, trying to see where I am, then you'll see me as a particle. But if you watch me softly, wondering how I move," Wavy explained, "you will see me as a wave." QB's energy flickered with surprise. "So, it's not that you change who you are, it's that I change how I see you." "Exactly," said Phoebe and Wavy together. "We are always light," Phoebe said. "We just show different sides," Wavy finished. QB floated quietly for a moment, thinking. Then she grinned. "That's amazing. You are like a cosmic secret. Two faces of the same beautiful truth." Phoebe and Wavy both smiled, glowing brighter. "Now you know, we are both and neither. Particle and wave." And with that, they all raced forward together. Phoebe, Wavy, and QB, spreading light, carrying secrets, and filling the universe with wonder. Because that's what light does. We will soon meet for our next adventure in the magical quantum world.